Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new mod for our gx460 and we're gonna try to change the side mirror turn signal lights into LEDs, sequential light. GX owners, you guys know how this light operates. Basically only this, it's a little light bulb and then has two plastic stripes that cannot transform the light when your turn signal is on, and the rest of it, this see-through area is just a see-through plastic with some kind of silver film. Today we're going to attempt to switch this to LED and sequential turn. Grab the housing and twist it. Don't be afraid of the cracky noise. You're not breaking anything. Then push this mirror this way. Grab it underneath and pull it. Grab a few of these. These are for your window tinting, the little squeegees. Grab a few of these. You're gonna need it. Don't use a screwdriver to do what I'm about to show you. I'm gonna pull this tab first. Just push them down, and then this one. Push it to the left. It's gonna make funny noise, don't let that spook you. And just grab this piece and leave it hanging that way. Now grab one of these squeegees. Grab this tab, push it upwards. And then grab the squeegee and run it to this edge. There you go, 1, 2, and 3. And then this one is pain in the ass. So using these, you're not going to damage the edge of this plastic. Another screwdriver would definitely damage all that. Then just grab assembly, and you can do it with the fingers. Just go easy on the plastic. So now I'm going to have you on this side of the light. What you need to do, take these 3 screws out. And then it will come off. And then disconnect the plug, squeeze the tab and push it. All light is out. Now for the new one, first plug it in. You're gonna have this little like extension on this plug. And here you're gonna see this indentation, like a cut off. That's the direction the plug goes. Push it through. It's gonna click, and then put a light on where the screw go, and that's pretty much it. When I put the plastic on the other one, this was sitting like a really flush, and there was a small little gap on the bottom of this light and my plastic housing. So what I did, and what I'm going to do in this one, just to be on the safe side, so I don't have to disassemble the whole thing, I'm going to take this little tiny washer, I'm going to place it here. That will give me extra little push on this light sticking out, so I wouldn't have that gap that I had on the other side. Maybe this on this side wouldn't have that issue, but like I said, I do not want to disassemble this. And just be careful, these screws, they like to cross thread themselves. No idea why. So play with it until they actually start going in the right direction. So let's start with this. Make sure that these plastic pieces are seated on this little extension. And we're gonna do on the bottom. There you go. Tie it up. Oh, always satisfying. So we're gonna test them before installing the plastic. Make sure it works before you install the housing. And work your way out. When you put in this, I kind of found out that's the easiest way. It's gonna make a lot of crackling noise, don't let that spook you. It's normal. See, no gap. So I don't know if the other light was, you know, had a little crooked plasticky piece or whatever, but it's you know, as long as it's not OEM, it's gonna have a little something stupid. But that little washer is gonna solve your issue if you have that gap. There you go. This is how you test them. Pull on a little bit, make sure that he is fitted. And clean this real quickly. And to adjust your mirrors back, just put like a memory thing, memory button for your seats would adjust your mirrors. That's one. And the second one. They also respond when you're unlocking the vehicle. And then when you lock it, they do that little dance also. Not a hard project, just be careful of how you treat that plastic, those tabs, don't go ballistic. That's about it. Thank you for watching, thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.